So you're considering flying first class with Emirates? Well, this is the Emirates A380 experience. It all starts with a chauffeur-driven car to the airport. After a smooth check-in, you'll have use of an exclusive lounge, like the Emirates Lounge, here in Dubai. With its cigar lounge, wine cellar, timeless spa, the convenience of an in-lounge duty-free boutique and fine dining. When it's time to fly, from some terminals, you can board directly from the lounge. This is your own private suite. Simply slide the privacy doors shut, and you're in a world of your own. No one will disturb you unless you want to be disturbed. Your suite has its own minibar, snacks, and Bulgari amenity kit. The entertainment system is naturally second to none. The widescreen TV is more private cinema than aeroplane screen. There are literally thousands of on-demand channels for you to choose from. Box sets, music, the latest movies, and long gone are the days of missing out on live sport just because you're at 40,000 feet. The US Open, Premier League, and much more besides. Oh, the free Wi-Fi throughout your flight, simply popping a Skywards number. And then there's the famous Emirates hospitality. You choose when you want to eat, and the offering is simply splendid. Thank you. The a la carte menu consists of regionally inspired dishes created by Emirates chefs using fresh, locally sourced ingredients, paired with some seriously fine wines, some of which are exclusive to Emirates. And then there's a great selection of tasty snacks if you're ever a bit peckish. One of my favorite things about the Emirates A380 is the Onboard Lounge. Old-fashioned, please. Sometimes it's hard to believe you're on a plane. Thank you. And when it's time to sleep, your cabin becomes the perfect bedroom, with fully flat bed, luxurious sheets and blanket. And don't worry if you forget your PJs. Emirates have got you covered. You're still here. Well, I'll let you think a little longer while I go and jump in the shower. Oh yes, on the Emirates A380 you can shower above the clouds. There's nothing else like it in the sky. This isn't just flying, this is the Emirates A380. Now, do you mind?